Hi, welcome back to a Sew It Saturday. I'm going to be showing you how to make this blanket. It's easy as can be. It's a little bit dark showing you this, but that's because if I turn my lights up, the white is going to blind you. So I couldn't find a white blanket, so I've got this cut and I'm cutting it 30 by 30, okay? 30 inches by 30 inches. And I put a lot of clips on it because this stuff is slick and shifty. So I already cut it once, and I'm going to show you how I cut this. And what this is it's a flat minky. It's really soft plush fabric, and I buy it at, well, I bought this at Walmart, but you can get it at Hobby Lobby and Joann's or wherever. I'm pretty sure Walmart still has it. I wanted to do something. I wanted to print on this blanket. Sorry about my head. But I could not find a white blanket in stock anywhere. So I thought, well, I had this in my stash and I'm just going to make my own. But you see how I'm wadding this out? Y'all, I'm losing my hair like crazy. Y'all got any tips? I mean, give a girl some tips, okay? My hair's falling out. It's getting thinner than, I don't know. It's thin. But anyway. So I'm going to put this, my magnetized ruler down here, and that's just to hold it down so it's not shifting. If you got pattern weights or fabric weights, lay them on it. So this is a Frixion pen, and I use it for marking, and I just marked, it's folded in half, and I need 30 by 30, so 15 is half of 30. So while it was folded in half, I'm going to mark it at 15, and cut it at 15, and that way when I open it, it'll be 30 by 30, okay? I hope that makes sense. And I'm just using my scissors because my arms aren't long enough to do the rotary cutter all the way down through there, nor was my ruler. Look at my nose. I'm so sorry. Whoo, Lord. So I'm going to take my clips out and discard this part, okay? So I'm just going to take all my clips off. Okay, so just to let you know, I really stink at mitering corners. I'm really bad. But this is a 4. I brought it up it's 4 inches. When you get from side to side, it's 4 inches stretched catty corner across there. I don't know how else to say it. The only thing I did was I fooled with it until I got it where I wanted it. Okay, and I'm going to tuck in just a little bit of that corner. And then I'm going to fold up a little piece and then fold up again. And I do fold this a little bigger because that just wasn't going to make it to me. So there. Now I'm going to pin this, and then I am going to, I think I go to the other end. Nope, I roll this side and see what I got here. I'm telling you, I'm not a corner miterer, but that's fixable, I thought. Maybe not, it wasn't fixable. I don't know. That looks more of in the middle, but it don't matter because I didn't get the other ones in the middle. I'm just going to be honest with you. I did a trick to close them up, and it looks nice, so I don't mind. But anyway, I'm just checking that one. So I'm going to go down, and I was going to just roll it as I go, but I figured I'd just do the other side. See how I just tucked that? I don't even care. I'm not measuring it all out again. There you go. Looks good to me, y'all. Looks good to me. This is very forgiving, especially if you use the same color thread that matches perfect. So then I'm going to pin this, then I'm going to go through here, and I'm going to go in the middle, and I'm going to fold and then fold up, and then I'm going to go all the way around the seam, and I'm going to do this all the way around this blanket, okay, on all 4 sides. And all I'm going to do is tuck that in, get it straight, and then start putting my pins in. Now you want quite a bit of pins in, or you can use clips, whatever makes you happy. But I'm using pins. I'm old school. So I'm going to just pin very close together because it's soft and shifty. But I'm going to do this on all 4 corners. I mean all 4 sides. So after I pinned it all, I took it to the sewing machine and I used my walking foot. It is linked in my Amazon storefront under the sewing, and I just went all the way around the edge. And then on the corners that didn't match, I just pushed them together and done a zigzag stitch over them and closed them up because I didn't want her to put her little fingers or toes through there. And it looks good. It looks good. But here is the finished blanket after I did sublimation on it and got her name and her picture. This is why I needed a white blanket and I couldn't find one. So I just made my own. Easy, quick, simple, and gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait for her to get it. There's my little zigzag on my corner. See, it looks fine. If y'all like this video, leave me a thumbs up. Consider subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Remember, you are a blessing. Until next time, goodbye.